Welcome. The sun has been very active so far this year, particularly in May of 2022. It's produced a lot of sunspot regions and some very large ones, like the one shown here in this picture. To get some idea of the size of this region, I've put a Earth to scale just above it and to the right. And any one of these large spots in the region could quite easily swallow the Earth. So this video is going to show what happened during the month of May in terms of the sunspots that have emerged and contributed to this high level of activity. As I said, the number of sunspots has been quite high. One day this month, the 22nd of May, the sunspot number exceeded 150. That's very high for this time in the solar cycle. And the sunspot number remained above 100 for a period of nearly 2 weeks. This has led to the monthly average sunspot number being over 90. That's the highest so far during solar cycle 25, and you have to go back nearly 10 years to find an equivalent time in the previous cycle to this. Well, just how much is solar cycle 25 outpacing the estimates of what it would be like? The red curve here shows the NASA and NOAA model of solar cycle 25. The line with the black diamonds on it are actual month-to-month data points. And as you can see, it's nearly a factor of 2.5 higher than the model predicted at this time, barely 2.25 years into the new solar cycle. This implies that we could be heading for a very large solar cycle. Not only have there been some large spots, but there have been a large number of regions. NOAA numbers the larger regions, and the month started on NOAA number 2997 and is currently at 3024. That's 28 newly numbered large regions. I keep track of the number of regions that produce sunspots, not just the ones that NOAA numbers. And my total so far this month is 35. It's not as high as the previous couple of months, but nonetheless, still quite a respectable number. So let's take a look at the movie of what's actually going on. This is a video from the SDO HMI instrument. It's a sunspot movie. Temperatures are about 5,000 degrees, therefore, and it runs from the 1st of May to the 29th of May. Look for particularly large sunspots, emerging regions and decaying regions, and also for spot motions. Enjoy. So what can we conclude from all of this? Solar cycle 25 is proving to be much more active than was thought it would be. It's surpassing solar cycle 24 by a very large margin to date. More and larger sunspot regions that last longer are appearing on the sun. But note, the solar activity is highly variable. It can go to a very high level, then drop away for a few months and then come back again. So we must prepare ourselves for that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I do have a Twitter channel where I do daily updates on the sun called The Sun Today, and you're welcome to keep track of what's going on there. So until next time, stay safe and goodbye.